What's up, guys? So I had to make this intro super quick. I don't know what's up with me and forgetting to make intros and outros, but I've just been doing that lately. But anyway, I'm actually about to head out the door, but I wanted to do an intro for this video. I just did my nails in this video. I'll show you guys how you can take care of your nails, how you can add this new set, and how I go from like an old set to a new set, and all things like that. So we talk all about nails in this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications, all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so we are gonna go ahead and take off what's left on my nails. So I have one left here, and then these two. Actually getting ready to film and realized that I didn't show you guys how I take them off. So you can like cut them off or just pick them off, but I just don't think that's healthy for your nails, so I like to soak mine off, and then I try to soak it just enough to lift the nail up, because I don't want to mess up the nails, because you can actually reuse these, especially these ones here. These particular nails are from Linda Rocks, I think I'm saying her name right, and she's actually a nail tech who actually like designed these nails in denim. And my aunt May sent me like a set of them, and I think it was like a ready to order one, so it was like one that was already made on her site. I'm gonna put on another set from her, and I'll talk more about it later, but just wanted to mention that that's what this set is from, and I just need to go ahead and take off the rest of them. So you just want to have your water here, and I don't know if you guys can really see this, but if you can see how it's starting to like lift up right here. I've had these nails on for 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks on yesterday. So they do start to lift up a little bit once it gets to that 2-week mark, but it's fine. You can just add more glue if you want to keep wearing them, but like I said, they do start to lift up just a little bit towards that 2-week mark. And so but some of them, like I said, I had them on for 2 weeks, and you see this particular nail right here is not even lifting at all. It's not lifting at all. So this one I know for a fact that I'm gonna have to soak longer. So pretty much when you soak them, you just want to soak them in the water, and I'm not saying for like 1 or 2 minutes, I'm saying like 10 to 15 minutes. Soak them and then try to lift them up, especially the ones that's already lifting up. They'll probably come right off after that. If you don't have time for this, you can just take a hot shower and hold your hand under the water in the shower for a long time in the shower, and they should pop off then as well. But so I'm pretty much gonna soak it in warm water. Now that it has been sitting, you want to take these sticks right here. Typically come in like kiss nails. If you get kiss, they're like pointy on this end, and then have like a flat kind of flat type one on this end. And then the set that I am using today, this is really more so of a cuticle pusher, but sometimes I use this to pop my nails off. But I do also have this, but pretty much sometimes they need a little budge, so you just take it, and like how this one, remember when I first showed it to you guys, just this part was sticking up? Yeah, well now this part here is like that, and it just kind of needs a little budge. I'm not saying pop it off, because you don't want to do that, because you'll damage your nails, but just kind of budge it a little bit, just to kind of help it like that. Oh, you guys can see that, but just kind of budge it a little bit just to kind of lift it up. And then you kind of want to do the same thing over here, just kind of budge it just a little bit. This side right here really didn't lift up that much, so I'm just gonna lift up this bottom like that. And then I'm gonna soak this one a little bit longer. And then because this one here wasn't lifting at all, it's starting to lift up a little bit now. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna give it just a little budge room, and we're just gonna stick them back in here. So just keep soaking them, and you're just really doing this to have healthy nails. I don't want to damage my nails, and honestly, ever since I've been wearing press-on nails, my nails have been like extremely healthy. As you guys can really see, my nails are pretty long and healthy, so I don't have any issues with press-on nails damaging my nails like acrylic or going to the salon does, because they used to drill at the salon, and I don't use a drill. You guys will see what I use. I'll show you guys that in a second, but we're just gonna keep soaking and kind of lifting until it's ready to come up. Now that we have these nails off, I only left 3 on for the video, so it's fine. But like I said, I had them on for 2 weeks, so I'm perfectly okay with taking these off. And I wanted to preserve them, so I didn't cut them down, because you guys can see them right there. They still look good, and all of them still look that way. So I'm just going to go ahead and set it off to the side. But right now, I'm just going to add a little bit more. Just soak these just a little bit, just for a few seconds, really. And next, you want to go in and you want to take some nail polish remover. I just personally use the one with acetone. It doesn't really matter, it's totally up to you, but I personally use this one because I use a lot of gel polish, and this really gets it off. And this is like 97 cents from Walmart, just in case you guys didn't know. This is just going to get off any excess glue that's on your nails. You guys can see how the cotton sticking to it, so that's how you pretty much know it's still some glue on there. And it's pretty much just cleaning it. And I really just need to clean my nails because I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I've been tie-dyeing stuff, so I have like the dye on some of my nails. Like this nail right here has some of the dye on it, so I really need to clean it off. So the next step is pretty much going to be cuticles. So you just want to push back your cuticles and then cut them if you need to. So that's just what I'm going to do now. Now we're going to go through and file the nails. So pretty much I still have some color right here, so I'm going to have to make sure I file it off. So this little tool right here I actually got as a Christmas gift, but I'm pretty sure they sell these in Walmart and Target. I think it's made by the same people that make like the little egg thing. And pretty much it comes with a file, a buffer, and I think this is a shiner. I don't know, but it has numbers on the back and it tells you which step to do what. So you just follow the steps. That's pretty much it. So I'm just going to go in with step 1. And you just put it on like this. All you do is just snap it on. That's it. And then it's 2 settings actually. It's 1 and 2. I always put mine on 2. And then you just file it. I'm gonna go back in with the polish remover and we're gonna clean our nails off once again. And so you just want to clean it off, and now you guys can see it shouldn't be, oh, I just put that on there, but it shouldn't be any cotton balls sticking to the thing. And if you do, you may just have to go back over and file that area again, but for the most part, should be pretty fine. So now this is what my nails are looking like now. So we're gonna go ahead and go wash our hands. If you want to do a scrub, this will be the time to do it, but I actually did my scrub. I did a full body scrub in the shower, so I'm not gonna scrub my hands again because I feel like that'll be too much. But if you want to do a scrub, right now would be the time to do it. So wash your hands really good because you want to make sure your hands are clean. Now that my hands are clean, we're gonna go ahead and get into the easy part. And we're just going to head over to my nail drawer and see which nails I want to put on today. Linda Rocks, I think I'm saying her name right. And again, it's the same person who made the last set that I took off, so I know for a fact that these are good. And I think I'm going to go with these lavender ones right here because they are so cute. And it's pretty much just how they look right there. Really pretty. I'll link her website below if you guys are interested in checking this out. But like I said earlier, May got me these, so I don't really know exactly how much or anything like that. And this next step is really easy. Really easy. For starters, all you really do is just take them out like this. And when you order them online like this, then you can actually measure your nails and get your sizing. So of course I know the thumbs are gonna fit my thumb. I already know that, so we're gonna line that up. And like I said, this part right here is pretty much easy. You just want to match the nail with your finger. That's it. Really easy, really simple. If you have to measure it, then all you do is take a tape measure, and I think it's in meters, and you just measure your fingernail in meters across this way. Not up and down, but left to right. You can use any kind of nail glue. It's totally up to you. You can use this Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue, which is really good. You can use the nail glue that comes with the nails, but me personally, I like to use super glue. If you watched any of my nail videos before, you already know this. I like to use super glue. It helps it last a really long time. Of course, taking care of your nails beforehand, like how I did before, the steps leading up to this, it's gonna help it last a really long time, but the super glue also helps it last a really long time. You can't just get any kind of super glue, and I want to make sure you guys know that. You want to make sure you get the super glue that has the nails on it, like right here where it says nails and it has like fingernails. That's the super glue that you want to get. If it doesn't have that on it, you don't want to get it. So make sure you get the one that says nails. It's gonna last 2 weeks, honestly 2 weeks. The last set, this particular set, if you get these types or if you get gel nails or something like that, they're gonna last a really long time. They're gonna last like 2 weeks, and it may come off, but all you have to do is just add a little bit more glue and put it back on. That's all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on. And all I'm doing here is just adding the glue to my finger. Some people add it to their nail and the finger. I just add it to my finger. I feel like I don't need a lot. And you want to press the nail down and just hold it. Super easy to just apply the nails, and like I said, you just do these steps, and honestly it's gonna last for 2 weeks. If you're not like heavy-handed, I wash dishes with mine, I wash my hair with mine, and they don't come off. So yeah, so I really like them. I like this color too. It's actually really pretty. I really like them. So this is how the nails turned out. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications on, and all that good stuff. You guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.